Assalamu alaikum. The name of our project is temperature controlled motor using microcontroller 8051 or 8052. Both of these are same. We can use any of these. So in the first part we'll see an overview of our project. In the next part we'll see the circuit diagrams and connection of different modules. In the third part we'll see the Proteus simulation. In fourth part we'll go through the code explanation, and in the last part we'll see the hardware simulation. So these are the mandatory tasks, mandatory features that we need to include in our project. Temperature controlled motor. So using a temperature sensor, we need to control the DC fan. So what is the task of this temperature sensor? This temperature sensor will give an input temperature to our microcontroller. So if I write here temperature sensor, this will give a temperature input to our microcontroller, and using our keypad we need to input three temperatures: minimum, medium and maximum temperatures. So using keypad we will take three temperature input: T minimum, T medium and lastly T maximum. Then in the next part, if T is less than T minimum, this T is the temperature input from the temperature sensor. Already we have mentioned this T. This is from the temperature sensor. This is from temperature sensor T. Okay, and if T is less than T minimum, the motor will be turned off. If T is between medium and minimum, then the motor will run at low speed. If T is between medium and maximum, the motor will run at medium speed. And if T is greater than T maximum, the motor will run at full speed. Okay. So if I write these things, whenever the input temperature from the temperature sensor, if this is less than T minimum, then the motor will not run, the motor will be at off stage. If T is in between T minimum and T medium, then the motor will run at low speed. Let's say this speed is stage 1 speed. Okay, then if this is between T medium and T maximum, motor will run a medium speed, stage 2. And if the temperature T is greater than T maximum, then motor will run at full speed. Okay, stage 3. Right. The last condition is that we need to add a critical temperature threshold. If this T, the input T, exceed this critical temperature, the motor will automatically stop. Okay, so if T is greater than T critical, motor will again stop, off stage. Okay, so we can modify our project. Instead, at the very first we have given input of three temperatures: T minimum, T medium and T maximum. So what can we do? Instead of taking three temperature input, we can take four temperature input, another T critical. Okay, instead of fixing this T critical, if we make it variable, take the input from the user, then it will be much better to see our project and debug it. So in the next part, we'll see the connections of different modules and see the circuit diagram also. Thank you.